अरे वापस आ गए ये आदमी who's a multi-millionaire, web का बादशाह है, जो भी है. I use that word because One Digital has an artist called Badshah and I'm part of One Digital. Sameer, long time no see. Haven't seen you for 15 years. Sameer, Bangara ke liye taaliya please, the moderator once again. उसके बाद मेरे बैचलर डेज में मैं इनके घर जाया करता था because I was interested in one of her friends, and then one day I realized she's become a web queen. Ladies and gentlemen, Chavi Mittal! If he looks into thin air, even if he digs his nose, he charges money because of his digital reach. Gaurav Gera, आइए. Actor, writer, director, and most importantly from our sponsors, Place, Pocket Aces India, Dhruv Sehgal. Be Unique has created his own unique place in Indian digital space and takes pride. Nikunj Lotia, please, on stage, brother, stud boy. A top comedian and having more than 1.2 million followers on Musical.ly. Ladies and gentlemen, Farhan Khan. Message from Sudeep. Bhai, say I'm sexy, talk more about me, underplay the next guest, a 19-year-old guy with 4 million subscribers, Carrie Minati.
So this is technically the most heavyweight panel of the day. And I'll tell you, if we just put together their follower base and their views, just their YouTube following or their social media following will be well over 10 million plus, I would say easily. Their views will be in the 30, 40. Carry, how many views are you doing every month now? 20, 30 million? Pata nahi, lost count. So, and I think interestingly, well, most of the people are on YouTube. Farhan, actually Dr. Farhan, practicing doctor, but has now moved to digital and is creating content, practices only 15 days a month now, Farhan? Huh? How many days a month do you now practice as a doctor?
It's been 6 years.
6 years you've been a doctor, but you practice only 15 days a month now because you're on digital and it should be live, Yeah.
It's been 6 years. I passed out in 2012 and since then I've been practicing. The only thing is that from 8 hours of consultation, it has come down to 2 hours now.
Okay.
So I still practice, yeah.
Because you're rolling in it on digital, but we'll come more to that. So yeah, so this is a really awesome, super heavyweight panel of digital superstars, and I'm a huge fan of stars on digital because they're self-made, they know no rules, they're reinventing the rules. So Chavi, let's start with you. If we could just take maybe 30 seconds, because I'm not sure that everybody understands, because the new formats, what each one of you actually creating online. And if you will, if you could just give a 30-second summary of what you do on your YouTube channel or on your main social destination, and what is the scale of it right now in terms of either sub base or views, whichever one you like. If we can just start with you in 30 seconds each person.
So on Shri Arya's Trending, we essentially do sketch content and web series, so all fiction and comedy. We try to capture the couple relationships in a funny way, and we try to keep the content under about 10 minutes. We're about 930K on YouTube and 3.7 million on Facebook.
Wow. Gaurav?
Hi, my name is Gaurav. I play characters on digital. I play various characters, and experience comes from the TV and the film and the theater that I've done. But digital is what I really love because I think it's a beautiful mix of fiction. You shoot it like a fiction, and response is almost like theater. It's almost instant. So it gives me pleasure to be on all the platforms. That Facebook is about 1 million. YouTube, I'm still lagging behind, like 3 lakhs or something. But
Only.
Instagram, I post videos all over. I don't focus on one platform. I want to reach where people are. I don't want to tell them come here. So that's what I do.
Super. But tell us about your characters also, because you play a few characters. Tell us about the characters. They may be more famous than you.
Highway. So yeah, Chutki Shopkeeper were the ones which I did about 3 years ago. So Chutki Shopkeeper की भी family है, shopkeeper का बेटा है, shopkeeper's wife is a Chinese woman. Chutki has a brother, there's uncle, there's mother. Then I've created another family which is also overlapping, which is Billi Masi, Adu, Dadi, Kumari Kusum. So it's
Give us a line as Ado and a line as Billy Masi.
Billi Masi.
हेलो भी क्या हाल है? I've been sitting here for so long. वे किसने चाय चुई भी नहीं पूछी.
So she's a very Punjabi woman. Then there's an old lady that
और
I
आडो
play.
क्या बोलते हैं उसको?
Adu.
हाँ, आडो क्या बोलते हैं बिली मासी को?
Adu is an automatic voice, so I just control the expressions.
Oh, हाँ.
I have
How
like
many of you on Snapchat? Because that's where these amazing filters and characters are, and then you're putting that on YouTube once you create that there,
I
or
do.
all social media platforms.
Yes, I create on Snapchat because I have got 11 exclusive lenses which Snapchat has given to me.
Wow. Okay.
So they are permanent for me. So I create stories and I upload them, I edit them and upload them on Facebook and YouTube and wherever I can.
Fantastic. Dhruv.
Hi, my name is Dhruv Sehgal. I'm one of the senior content creators at Pocket Aces. So we have Filter Copy, Dice, Gobble, and Loco. Our
Dude, you're the
fiction-
title sponsors. You don't need that plug. What do you do as a creator?
Well, so we have something in the range of 4 million plus as subscribers on both our web series channel and the short content channel, Filter Copy.
Awesome.
And we are the title sponsors.
Be unique.
Hi, my name is Nikunj Lodia, and I make sketch comedy videos. There are like two formats. One is like very short, which is like under 2 minutes, and the other one is more than like 5 to 7 minutes. I'm there on YouTube, Facebook, 2 million plus on YouTube, 1 million plus on Facebook, and like just started posting few videos on Instagram.
Fantastic. Farhan.
Yeah, hi everybody, this is Dr. Farhan Khan, aka Fizuliyat, that's my stage name.
Fizuliyat is your...
Fizuliyat is my stage name, and I've completed my BHMS, MD, PG and AHI, and then suddenly one of my video got viral, and then I touched 1.2 million on Musical.ly, and one...
How many of you know Musical.ly? Raise your hands. Wow.
Okay,
Okay,
people.
awesome.
So I
It's
reached
now
1.
called TikTok. How many of you knew that? Yeah, it's been acquired.
TikTok, 1.2 million I touched. I won by votes the Muser of the Year, and 7th most popular muser in Asia. And 1.2 million के बाद में there was some changes in the app which I did not like. खुददार आदमी हूँ, छोड़ दिया. I joined the rival app, and I'm 300K on that now. And I have started my YouTube channel 2 days back. So hoping to try my luck on YouTube too. So this is a great start. I have learned a lot today.
Super. Gary?
हेलो एवरीवन माय नेम इज़ सजय और मैं प्रवचन बनाता हूँ 7-10 मिनट की जिसमें मैं लोगों को डिस्क्राइब करता हूँ वो क्या हरकतें कर रहे हैं. काफ़ी बेवकूफ़ी हरकतें होती हैं उसके अंदर मेनली, लेकिन हाँ, और बाकी नंबर में मैं घुसना नहीं चाहता, उस पर हम ध्यान नहीं देते, हम कंटेंट पे ध्यान देते हैं. शुक्रिया.
क्या बात है? Okay. But for your benefit, let me say he's about 4.5 million subscribers on one YouTube channel, and he's got another channel that is focused. Talk about your gaming channel, if you will.
या तो मेरा एक गेमिंग चैनल है दूसरा जिस पे मैं गेम्स खेलता हूँ ऑब्वियसली. गेमिंग चैनल तो उसके अंदर नंबर मैं नहीं बोलने वाला.
8 लाख
लेकिन-
सब्सक्राइबर हैं. हाँ.
हाँ ठीक है, जो भी है, जो भी है, जो भी है.
नंबर बोलने के लिए एक आदमी रखा है.
सुना नहीं मैंने, दोबारा बोलियो. दोबारा बोलिए, सुना नहीं मैंने.
नंबर बोलने के लिए एक आदमी रखा है.
हाँ तभी. तो गेमिंग चैनल पे हम अपन गेम्स खेलते हैं, बहुत सारी अलग अलग गेम्स खेलते हैं. हमारे पास बहुत वैरायटी है. हमारे पास GTA है, हमारे पास स्पाइडरमैन है, हमारे पास PUBG है, हमारे पास ऐसे कॉल ऑफ ड्यूटी है. बहुत सारी गेम्स है जो हम खेलते रहते हैं. 3 से 4 घंटे की हम लाइव स्ट्रीम करते हैं, बहुत सारी चीज़ें करते हैं. उसके अंदर काफ़ी बार बकलोली भी होती है और बस हरकतें होती है अजीब अजीब की, और कुछ नहीं होता. थैंक यू.
So, to summarize that, basically people tune in, up to maybe 30, 40, 50,000 people tune into every live session to watch him playing a game.
सर 50
And,
मत बोलो, भी 50 हुआ.
50 नहीं हुआ अब तक, ठीक है.
40.
सर नंबर्स पे फोकस नहीं करते हम, बट खैर वो उस बट मोटा मोटी But I think the awesome thing is that so many tens of thousands people tune in to watch him playing games, and that is the art. It's like the art is in the commentary that he will give. So if any of you want to try it, you must go in there, because these are formats of content that I don't think most of you have been exposed to. You've seen YouTube content, but this is, and it's one of the biggest genres internationally. There's a multi-billion-dollar company called Twitch that was bought by Amazon that does just this streaming of people playing games. And it's a massive, massive genre. And he's clearly one of the biggest in that space. So Chavi, let's talk about, since this is largely a, how many of you are business audiences over here? Raise your hands.
कोई भी नहीं है.
कोई भी नहीं है. तो बाकी सब, are you all creators? How many are creators over here? तो बाकी लोग क्या करते
बाकी
हैं?
लोग क्या है? Time pass.
They're
Sponsors.
They're not. Oh, sponsors. Sorry. A lot of people in Pocket Aces here. No, I'm just kidding. Okay. So Chavi, let's bring some business perspective into this awesome stuff that you guys are doing, and if we can, because I know that interestingly that between Chavi and Gaurav we have diametrically opposite views about money. So Chavi believes that it is about money, and you do almost 80% of your videos are brand integrated videos. Is that right? So talk to us a little bit about that journey.
So initially when we started about 3 years back, the idea was not to make it a thriving business. The idea was just to make good content, which we were not able to make otherwise. And we wanted a platform for it. We wanted an audience for it. And it was pretty soon in the day that we realized that this is a good opportunity to create branded content while creating content that we enjoy doing. So I don't even know when, at what point exactly we started succeeding in doing that. But even today, we do about 80% of branded content and 20% of non-branded content, and it feels really great, especially because the content that the branded content that we do, we try to make it as organic as possible, and we make extra effort in creating a story, creating a content piece in which the content itself and the brand integration is a good marriage, so that our viewers are happy, we challenge ourselves in doing that, and the brand is happy.
Super. So, I mean, we talked about this in an earlier session. I think some others would have also spoken of how this space needs to go towards content marketing, and so you're integrating it without it seeming like an ad, and that's the speciality. So I understand there's maybe 4 videos a month, and so you're doing, so this 80% branded content would put any large company to shame. So I think that's fantastic. Give her a big hand, because it's really difficult if you've ever pitched to a brand to go out there and convince brands to do so much of branded content. So fantastic. Coming from TV, do you think that was a big advantage for you to be able to pitch to brands and convert deals?
So coming from TV, the advantage that we had was that we could create decent content. We knew the technical side of it, but the disadvantage actually is the fact that we don't know how to pitch to brands. We're really bad at business, and it's only the brands that show interest in our content are the ones that we are able to convert. Thankfully, that number is high right now, but 100% of the brands that we have approached, we've not been able to close. So I think that only goes to prove that business side of it, we're actually pretty bad. But because the content itself is so good, we are able to generate that kind of interest in a lot of other brands in the market. And I think another thing that plays an important role is the TG that we cater to. So it coincides with the TG that most of the brands also cater to, which is 24 to 35. So that really helps, I think.
Okay, I want to come back to you a little later, but Gaurav, आपका view था कि money distorts creativity or money kills creativity, or?
I actually feel so. I like each to their own, like whatever people like to do. But I feel in movies also, or in TV, or wherever a platform is, when people see money, if I do this, I will generate more revenue, or there's a purpose behind it. You tend to do things which others want you to do, and it's not actually a creator, is what I feel. A creation, I feel, should be free from But anyway, but you need money. You do need money. ऐसा नहीं है कि if you cannot focus on those things. But yeah, that's what happens.
But you have a life outside of digital also that is a source of income for you. So you're not entirely dependent on digital to generate that income. Would you have the same view if that was the case, that your entire source of income?
Kind of. I think also what happens is that I'm a certain age. I have been around acting for
You're more than 25?
Thank you. But yes, I have made some money, which does give me returns. So I am a little more freer to create whatever I want to. If there's a brand I don't agree with, I do not make that. Or if it's something that I think is a useless product, why will my viewer buy it? Or it doesn't contribute to the life. So I am able to take those calls. Yeah.
Got it. Okay. Carrie, brands के साथ काम करना, right? You don't engage directly. You have people engaging for you for brands. Okay, so tell me what is the what's been your most crazy experience working with the brand?
मोस्ट क्रेजी एक्सपीरियंस वर्किंग विद अ ब्रांड. तो मैं नाम नहीं लूँगा
हाँ,
ऑब्वियसली.
obviously, ठीक है. हाँ.
नाम नहीं लेना. ठीक है. तो एक ब्रांड था. सो हम एक वीडियो बना रहे थे. तो उसके अंदर क्या था, दे डिडंट लाइक कि मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, और वो बहुत अच्छे से जा रहा था, मतलब बहुत ही अच्छे से इंटीग्रेट हो रहा था, वेरी स्मूथ था, लेकिन उसके बीच में एक गाली थी. तो उन्होंने कहा ये गाली हटाओ, तो हमने उन्हें हटा दिया.
क्या?
Okay. I don't think it can be classified as brand के साथ है तो मतलब बेकार होएगा या मतलब अजीब सा काम होएगा.
हाँ.
और अगर independently हो रहा है तो अच्छा से हो रहा है. It's also about what enables you to tell the story, because at the end of the day that's also an important bit.
Sure.
I remember when I was writing Little Things ka first season, and I was speaking to Pandit, and Pandita was talking about how Little App, this brand, could be integrated, and he said, हाँ तो उसको Little App से कूपन भेज देता है. I'm like, क्यों डाल रहे हैं यार, अच्छा खासा लिखा हुआ है कि वो XYZ करेगा तब उसको गिफ्ट मिलेगी. So that's when he told me something which I kind of like stand by. He said, so one of the founding members of Vice, Shane Smith, he had said this, that it's better to take the money from a brand and make something good out of it, because there will always be someone else who will use the same money and make something shitty out of it.
Right.
So मतलब अगर कोई दे रहा है तो थोड़ा सा compromise
Don't
करके
look a gift horse in the mouth. Huh?
No, also for taking a leaf out of your what you just said, is that we want to create a lot of web series, but the budget that we need to create these series is so immense that obviously we can't put it from our own pocket. So that's how brands play an important part, is because we're able to do what we want to do, and you know, so it's like beneficial for both of us. So I think it's a great
Sure.
collaboration.
Sure. Dr. Saab, you had a point.
Moreover, you know, brand जब आते हैं अपने पास, we have to be
So the mic closer.
we have to be very selective. अगर हर एक को करते हैं तो then probably it may hamper the creativity. But sometimes at my level, I guess जब brands आते हैं तो it becomes like a prop for us to create, you know, something out of it.
Right.
Until unless, you know, they interfere in our work. So I guess sometimes when we select a product, तो creative उस चीज़ को लेके कैसे होना है, तो वो एक helpful चीज़ होती है. And yes, money matters. तो
But Bunique, the reality is that when you get a brand on board, कुछ तो interference आने वाली है. You can't
No, I
expect
guess
a brand
being-
to come on board.
What I said is, I guess being selective comes after a point.
हाँ.
Like after you are now, like whoever is here present now can be selective. But now, you know, back when we started, it was not an option. So I guess what my thinking is, that I always said that I write comedy.
Right.
So I write a sketch for a brand.
Right.
Okay. Then I take out the brand from the sketch.
Right.
And look at the sketch. If it's still funny, if I like the sketch without the brand in it, I'll integrate the brand.
Right.
And it goes effortlessly.
Yeah, that's a very nice way. That should work irrespective of the brand. That joke को वैसे भी काम करना चाहिए. उसमें तुम Pizza Hut बोलो या नहीं बोलो.
Right. So in your journey, how many years has it been? 3 years? Doing
More than 4 years now.
more than 4 years. So just walk the audience through, as you scaled, what were the roadblocks? Because it seems like now life is good, you know, your millions of fans, is really life a bed of roses. There's a reality aspect of even when you become large, or when you, as you said, almost famous, there are still issues that one has to deal with. Talk to us about that.
So it's been 4 years. So now I guess when we started YouTube was not like a big thing. I used to be a freelance bartender before like being a YouTuber. So I had to work and then produce videos and then work. So probably like my 50th video went viral, and then I thought that.
Where were you bartending, by the way?
I used to freelance.
Okay,
I've
so
not
you were
worked
various
anywhere
places.
special, but
So
like,
you're a trained, like, you
Yeah,
know,
you should-
fancy
you should see
stuff
his
that Tom
skills.
Cruise used to do in
Nick,
Cocktail. Huh?
after party mein.
Huh.
So yeah, I used to be a freelance bartender.
Okay.
I had to work and shoot. So like my 50th video went viral. It's not that पहला video viral हो गया, you started inventing money. वो तभी लगा था कि हो सकता है, पर ऐसा नहीं है. So yeah.
What is viral? Define viral. Your 50th video. By the way, that's the topic, right?
So they
How
are
do you make a
viral-
video viral? But it's kind of like a rhetorical question, because so what was viral for you at that time?
For me, you know, there was this ad running on called Mauka Mauka in the TV. I was the first guy to parody that ad. And the parody went so like viral that it crossed the actual ad views, and it was aired on TV. I was there on newspaper, and then I felt like someone else.
Okay.
So yeah, after that, so what I feel is, as a creator, the hardest time for me was after you get like 200-300K subscribers. You are known. People come and click pictures with you. Not like everyone, but then some people know you. You're almost famous, but you're not making a lot of money.
And that's the hard
That's
part.
the worst part, actually. You are famous, you know what you have to do, but you need money too. So I remember bartending when I had like 300k subscribers, and like when I was serving drinks, there was this one guy, hey, I love your video. They're like, yeah. So that's the hardship. You have to work. You need money.
And today you're doing this full time. This is
It's been 2 years I've been doing this like without working.
right. Okay. Farhan, what's the journey been for you? Because you picked Musically as a platform. How did that happen?
I was just a normal practitioner going to my clinic and coming back home and taking care of my mom and my other responsibilities after my dad's demise. So suddenly, because I was, a part of the cultural team as the cultural secretary in my college, and used to do a lot of, one-act plays, skits, and the plays. So my friends, suggested me to try this app, and I just tried it. Initially, the introduction was given as the famous, और ये तब हुआ, ये मैं काफ़ी लोगों के सामने नहीं बोला. I was, in depression for 1.5 years, and then as a time killer, I started doing this, and it changed my life. And all those people, the reason why I got famous is not because of my Musically, because of the things that I say on my live stream on Musically. I used to, because आजकल की जो जनरेशन है 15, 16, 17 साल में इनके 4-5 ब्रेकअप्स हुए रहते हैं, और कोई ना कोई, मैं रात में आता था, मेरी क्लिनिक खत्म करके 10:30 बजे के बाद मैं लाइव आता था और मैं शुरू होता था, तो मेरे को क्वेश्चंस वही आते थे कि आपने ये कैसे किया, आपने वो कैसे किया, तो मैं बोलते रहता था क्योंकि कुछ है नहीं लाइफ पे, तो ये करना है. एंड दे यूज्ड टू गेट they used to relate and they used to get connected, and that is why probably because of my live streams I gained popularity through my Musicallys. So yeah, उसके बाद में जितने 1.5 साल में जो मैंने कहा सुनी, जो कुछ भी था, वो सारे लोग वापस आए हैं. And this is a message to everybody that bad phase comes, wait, patience, and work on your whatever you are good at, and चीज़ें बदलेंगी.
Super.
Yeah.
So this helped you get out of your low phase in your life, putting yourself out there and as a creator and entertaining people.
Exactly.
Yeah. Okay, Carrie, what's been your journey? What got you into this? Were you always like this in school? You said पैदा होते हुए हम ये बना रहे थे. So when did you start?
मेरे पास मेरी बेस्ट स्ट्रगल स्टोरी है. तो मैं था कुछ कितने साल का, वेट, हाँ 2008 की बात है. तब से मैंने बनाना शुरू किया था. 2008 में आई वाज लाइक अराउंड 8 or 7 आई गेस. 7 तो नहीं, 8 or 9. सो तब मैंने बनाना शुरू किया था. सो आई मैंने हर एक जॉनर कर रखा है ऑलमोस्ट, एक्सेप्ट सिंगिंग एंड डांसिंग. मैंने ऑलमोस्ट हर जॉनर कर रखा है. आई हैव डन टेक्नोलॉजी, गेमिंग एंड ऑल, बहुत कुछ किया मैंने. आई इवन ट्राइड फुटबॉल. सो व्हाट आई यूज्ड टू डू वाज, मैं फुटबॉल थी मेरे पास, मेरे को फुटबॉल का शौक था, तो मैं फुटबॉल लेता था, उसके साथ अजीब अजीब हरकतें करता था और उसे डालता था. ऑब्वियसली उस पर व्यूज़ तो नहीं आते थे, क्योंकि अब मेरे को पता चलता है क्यों नहीं आते थे. ठीक है. उसके बाद देन आई ट्राइड गेमिंग मैंने ट्राई किया. मैं एक गेम है काउंटर स्ट्राइक, मुझे नहीं लगता लोगों ने खेली होगी वैसे, लेकिन उसके अंदर क्या था, उसके अंदर मैं ट्रोल करता था लोगों को सनी देओल की आवाज़ में. मैं कहता था ओए चलो कश्मीर हमारा है, ऐसे करके. तो मैं उन्हें ट्रोल करता था काफ़ी, उनकी हंसी रिकॉर्ड करता था, तो उसे अपने चैनल पर डालता था. तब थोड़ा सा बूस्ट मिला. बूस्ट आई मीन 200-300 व्यूज़, मतलब वो भी ज़्यादा ही हो गए, 100. तो मैंने कुछ 500 वीडियोस बनाई होंगी.
और ये 2012 की बात है अभी?
हाँ
2012 की बात है, 2012, 2000 और
ये है 2013 आई गेस, 13-14. तो तब मैं वो बना रहा था. तो तब मेरे हिसाब से जो मेरे लिए था कि इतने व्यूज़ आ जाने चाहिए, वो था मेरे लिए 500. यार 500 व्यूज़ आ जाए बहुत है मेरे लिए. तो मेरी कुछ 500 से ज़्यादा वीडियोज़ हैं जिन पे 100 से कम व्यूज़ हैं. मेरे को याद है मेरी वीडियो ज़्यादा थी मेरे सब्सक्राइबर से एक पॉइंट पे. तो काफ़ी सही था. सब्सक्राइबर्स ही मतलब वीडियोज़ ही ज़्यादा सब्सक्राइबर से. तो उसके बाद फिर मैंने ये फॉर्मेट पकड़ा, ऐसे किया, थोड़ा बहुत हुआ. मैं ऐसे नहीं कह सकता कि मेरी कोई भी वीडियो ऐसे एकदम से वायरल गई हो, न्यूज़पेपर में आ गया, देखो कौन है बच्चा क्या कर रहा है, ऐसे मेरे साथ कभी नहीं हुआ. लेकिन इट्स अ वेरी स्लो प्रोसेस फॉर मी कि धीरे धीरे बढ़ते मैं सोचता था यार हो जाएगा, नहीं हुआ तो कर लेंगे कुछ और.
वो सब एक चैनल पे हुआ है ये, दिस होल एक्सपेरिमेंटेशन फ्रॉम फुट
ये
सॉकर टू
हाँ गेमिंग शुरू हुई है 2014 में. दैट्स ऑन यही वाला चैनल. उससे पहले मेरा एक और चैनल था, वो उसका नाम कुछ और ही है, अजीब ही नाम है उसका.
और ये कैरी मिनाटी नाम कहाँ से आया?
बस ऐसे ही किसी ने कमेंट कर दिया, मेरे को पसंद है, मैंने रख लिया.
अच्छा, वेरी गुड,
नो स्टोरी.
कूल. ध्रुव, I wanted to come back to you because there's a difference in you as a creator, because you're a creator that works in an entity. And how is it working inside a company as a creator versus being having your own channel, etc. How does that work? And I partly know the answer because but I wanted you to share that experience of how have you made that work, and obviously Pocket Aces has done a great job of making you feel comfortable doing that.
So for me, it's not, as I said earlier, it's not platform driven. For me, it's not about digital or films or whatever, radio or anything like that. Whatever medium and whatever environment, whatever support system enables me to tell a story, the one that I want to, the one that I would like to invest in, the one that I would want to challenge in, I kind of buy into that. And I met the two founders at this point where they were starting something new and I was totally unaware of it. And it just sounded like an exciting thing to be part of. And having said that, it just gives you the kind of support system, the facilities and the kind of creative backing, the kind of creative criticism that you need. And I think it's kind of important because if I was doing it on my own, at least I would be doing it with few of my friends. So this is pretty much like that, but kind of with the tag of that company.
Right.
But these are the same people who would be the ones जिनको मैंने script दिया, and the first thing that I would say कि टट्टी है, ये क्यों कर रहा है? You know. So I think if you work in an environment which kind of pushes you, challenges you, and also kind of helps you grow, be it friends or colleagues,
Kind of like the point that Chavi was making about the brands enabling, or what Gaurav was saying about the enablement of it. So you basically got a platform that enables you to do this. And
yeah, because it's, I mean, at the end of the day, I want to tell few stories and I would want to look at ways with which I can tell that stories. This may not be the story that I would want to tell finally,
Right.
but everything leads to that, right? And so whatever helps, man, because if you are growing, the company is also growing, you know, it's a kind of a symbiotic relationship.
Right. So Chavi, when you started doing YouTube and stuff as a TV actor coming into the space, it couldn't have been easy because the question would have been कि यहाँ TV में काम नहीं मिल रहा है कि YouTube पे आ गए हो. And how did you deal with that at that point? Was that even a consideration?
So we didn't consider that at all. The only consideration that we had was that we wanted to do something which was creatively satisfying.
Right.
I wanted to do something as an actor which was creatively satisfying. Having said that, I think anybody who's putting themselves out there on the social media, be it Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, even if you put a picture out there, you're giving everybody else the right to judge you, to comment on what you wearing, how you're looking. So it's typically like that. So if you make a video on YouTube, you have to be receptive to whatever feedback you get. You cannot let it affect you, but it's a part and parcel of the thing. But luckily for us, our very first video got very viral. When I say viral, I mean a lot of people on Facebook uploaded it. We got the video sent back to us on WhatsApp from various different parts of the world. So we knew that whatever we are doing is being liked by people. And I, for that matter, I think have got recognition and appreciation as an actor far more on YouTube than on television ever. So that was a huge, huge encouragement. And that's when we decided that we're going to do this, continue this, and give it a
When you
best
say
shot.
you and your husband started this together, and he's a
Yes.
director himself, and
Yes.
so that made life simpler for you, coming from being a relatively known face, plus you had a team member.
Absolutely, because he knew he has the technical know-how.
Right.
So he knows his angle, and he learnt camera on the go, on the
Right.
job. So he's good with lighting, with shooting, with camera, with direction, with scripting, with everything. So that helps a lot.
Right.
I wanted to ask, like, I'm always keen to ask people whose first video got viral, like, would you have been made like around 500 or like 10, 20 more videos if your first video was not that viral?
You know, that is a question which I also don't know the answer to. But I think 10, 20, 15, 30 videos we would have... See, we knew that if we are starting something, even if you're starting any business, you have to give it a certain time. You cannot expect it to suddenly start doing well. And it's all about the kind of commitment you put in, the kind of hard work you put in, and you have to be consistent with whatever you're doing. So if you feel, arey, 4 videos nahi chale, chhod do, so you'll never know what it could have become. So.
I think what's interesting is that formats are different in the sense that you would have done videos maybe for a couple of lakhs a video, I'm guessing, in that space. Carrie, Farhan, you would have done videos that are, what we call the cost of battery life, as in there is no there wasn't any cost associated with it, and that's the cool thing. Again, when you were doing branded content, it could be double-digit lakhs, single-digit lakhs. We have, and again, you're in the, just shoot off your phone kind of content. The beauty is that there isn't anything right now that I guess is defining this would work or the other. And so, coming to the question of what makes a viral video, I don't know. I mean, that's the topic, so I have to ask the question. Carrie knows the answer to what makes a viral video.
तो मेरे हिसाब से what I think is emotions. अगर
Okay.
तुम लोगों के इमोशंस के साथ खेल सकते हो तो तुम वायरल हो. अगर जैसे मैं देखता हूँ अगर तुम एक बहुत ही आई गेस सैड वीडियो बना रहे हो तो उसे सिर्फ एक ऐसे सैड मत बनाओ कि हाँ यार ठीक है काफ़ी सैड, ऐसी नहीं. रोज आए बंदा ऐसी सैड होनी चाहिए. अगर कोई चीज़ कॉमेडी है तो वो ऐसी होनी चाहिए जिससे बंदा रिलेट कर सके, यार ये तो मेरे साथ भी होती है. फिर वो अपने दोस्तों को बताएगा, वो भी देखेगा, वो ऐसे वायरल होती है. अपना तीसरा आता है शॉक. एकदम से ये क्या देख लिया मैंने. अब एक बंदे ने चौथे माले में गाड़ी ठोक दी, कहाँ से आई वो पता नहीं, इट्स अ शॉक, तो वो चीज़ वायरल हो जाएगी. तो इतने बहुत सारे इमोशंस. आप जैसे कोई जानवर भी देखते हो तुम. अब एक बहुत है जैसे एक छिपकली है, अगर उसको मैं उड़ता
क्या है?
हुआ देख लूँ, छिपकली है,
हाँ.
लिजर्ड.
हाँ. तो क्या?
फ्रेंच में ट्रांसलेट करो, ठीक है. अब उसके पंख लग जाए और वो ऐसे उड़ रही है. अब तुम रोज तो नहीं देखते हो ना एक छिपकली उड़ते हुए, तो दैट इज शॉकिंग. एक हाथी है, एक हाथी ने किसी का घर बर्बाद कर दिया, तो रोज तो कोई हाथी किसी का घर बर्बाद नहीं कर रहा है ना. तो दैट इज लाइक कि आउट ऑफ द ऑर्डिनरी, एकदम से हो गया. तो दैट गोज वायरल आई थिंक.
Also, I think it's important to kind of channelize the environment of the country or whatever your region. Like our case study was when we started Dice Media, we had I think 11 likes. 4 of them came from the people who were working.
Of course.
5th was the person who was like the office help boy, Vinod,
rishtedar.
and Baki Papa Mama. And we
Obviously.
put out our first video called Ban Ban without expecting anything. Again, all of us acted in it together. 6 लोग थे, उनमें से 4 जो टेबल पे बैठे थे वही एक्टर्स थे. In one day we hit 1 million, and this was our first work.
And this is
we
when
were-
all the band stuff
Struggle
was
नहीं
going
किया
on.
रे लोग
yes,
ने.
this is when all the
Yeah.
bands were
स्ट्रगल नहीं देखा है,
Struggle नहीं किया तुम लोग ने.
but उसके बाद वाली struggle, because that's also interesting. एक जैसे इनके साथ हुआ, 50 videos and nothing but the consistency helped him. With us, our first video went like that, and we're like, fuck, this is what's going to happen with the second and the third video. But that didn't happen.
Only the title sponsor is allowed to say that F word. Nobody else. Huh. Carry.
But that didn't happen with the next set of videos. And even
Right.
Filter Copy, Mithila was doing a new satirical show,
Right.
which Karthik used to write. Even that didn't hit. Suddenly, what we could understand is that people just relate to things on internet. So we did Delhi Boys in Bombay, and that hit. So it's important to understand what the emotions of the audience is at that point of time. I guess that also helps.
यूनिक प्रेशर है क्या वायरल कंटेंट की? अभी ये वीडियो हो गए एंड देयर ऑल बिग क्रिएटर्स. डू यू एवर फील द प्रेशर कि दिस
अभी
हैज टू
नहीं
गेट
है.
टू X million व्यूज, नहीं तो वो
अभी नहीं है, पहले था काफ़ी. तो what I feel is कि like I did that Mocha video and it went like super viral. I made 3 videos out of it. So I was been known in the street, but then ये वो Mocha वाला बंदा है. So from that अरे Mocha to calling me Nick, वो मेरे को 3 साल लग गया. और so I thought कि मेरा जो बेस्ट कंटेंट है ना, मैं वो I did not write it and I did not produce it until I thought one video hits viral. So that 3 videos consolidated 6 million views back in the day, like it's 3 years ago. मतलब 6 million बहुत था. उसके बाद मैंने एक वीडियो डाला जो मेरा बेस्ट कंटेंट था. आई थॉट दिस वुड किल इट. उसको 20,000 मिले. तो उसके बाद फिर वापस वही स्ट्रगल. नहीं वो जाने दे.
प्राइवेट तो नहीं है.
अनलिस्टेड अभी वो.
हाँ बस.
ये चीज़ शायद सब में कॉमन है कि आपका जो सबसे बेस्ट वीडियो होती है जहाँ पे आप एक्सपेक्ट करते हो कि भाई ये तो फाड़ देगा, उस पर व्यूज़ ही नहीं आते.
नहीं
और जो
नहीं
आप-
ऐसा नहीं है.
सबके साथ नहीं है. मेरे को अगर कोई
काफी
वीडियो
लोग-
लगती है कि फाड़ेगी तो उसने फाड़ा है.
ओके.
It's also a science. You kind of study your performances. There are metrics. You measure what works, what doesn't work, what do people like. That's where the comments and the feedbacks are important.
Right.
But I think at a certain level, as a creator, you also kind of lose the objectivity that whenever you're making a piece of content, you always like it, yeah. You
It's
always
your
feel
baby,
कि
it's
बहुत
your
अच्छा
baby.
है,
Not
it's
always,
better than
though.
the last one.
So you expect everything will grow, but there are videos that you think will be big and they don't work. Gaurav, you've been very quiet. I know you had.
I'm absorbing everything.
Yeah, get into character. But the question is like, with brands, when you're working with brands, is there, or from a business aspect, is there anything that you've been a seasoned sort of professional in the creative space? What's the message? What can we do to make it more easier for brands to work with creators and creators to sort of give it back to the brands in terms of what they're looking for?
See, I already think the situation has gotten better compared to 3 to 4 years ago. 3-4 साल पहले क्या होता था, ब्रांड वुड टेल यू वी वांट दैट काइंड ऑफ ब्रांडिंग. थिंग्स हैव गॉटन बेटर. ब्रांड्स हैव अंडरस्टूड कि द क्रिएटर नोज देयर ऑडियंस, कि किस चीज़ में माफ है, कितना कर सकते हो. थोड़ा सा ब्रांड्स जो है लेवरेज दे रहे हैं अभी कि आप वैसे करो जैसे आपको ठीक लगता है. दे वुड नॉट स्पीक दिस लैंग्वेज 3 to 4 years ago. पहले कुछ और होता था. बट अगेन फॉर मी आई थिंक एज अ क्रिएटर I would really not want to make brands which are directly in your face, because somewhere I feel अगर मैं Instagram पे एक पोस्ट डाल रहा हूँ, ओ एक फ़ोन ले लो, I don't want to say brands, और थोड़ी देर बाद मैं 15 दिन बाद बोलूँ ये फ़ोन ले लो, somewhere I'm losing that trust of my audience कि what do I believe in, मुझ में किस चीज़ के लिए faith है. मैं कहता हूँ कि ये वाला फ़ोन अच्छा है, अगले 15 दिन बाद मैं कह रहा हूँ ये फ़ोन, definitely it is money which makes you do that. So somewhere I feel, I think with fame or with age or whatever, responsibility seeps in.
But if the brand did this with you as a brand ambassador, quasi brand ambassador strategy, कि आप 6 महीने के लिए कुछ कर रहे हो, so then I guess the issue right now is it's transactional. कि आप एक वीडियो बनाओगे, so then if you have to survive with this, why will you not do the next brand and the next brand, except for whether if you're not credible?
What I think कि अगर जैसे आप कह रहे हो ना 2 फोन है, तो अब ऐसा तो है नहीं कि वो दोनों फोन है. अब दोनों ही अच्छे हो सकते हैं, जरूरी थोड़ी ना है कि उनमें से एक बेकार हो एक अच्छा हो. अगर फॉर एग्जांपल आई टेक आईफोन एंड OnePlus है, दोनों ही अच्छे हैं.
ये भी
फिर
point
जो
दो
ज़्यादा
कि
पे
लेकिन
कर रहा है वो ज़्यादा अच्छा है.
point है. But चलो phone is
लेकिन
a wrong
ब्रांड दुखी होते
example.
हैं. The brands will be upset if you do the other one. They will see it as a conflict of interest, but that's the whole thing. I think the brands have to also think of it a little bit more long
I
term.
think ethically also it's wrong, yeah. I mean, you have to space it out a little bit.
What's
at
been your
least.
most crazy experience with the brand, Chavi? Don't name the brands. We're not out here to slander, but like, how crazy has it gotten for brand integration?
I really don't want to say this, but there was this table fan brand that came to us, and we created a really good script for them. Again, as a creator, we feel the script was really good. We are still sitting on it. We'll do it at some point.
But they had the killer moment.
Yeah.
What was that?
So they said that, okay, the conversation is fine, but every time the character is saying something good, the fan is turning towards her. Every time she says something bad, the fan is away, and everybody is wondering, why is she dilly-dallying so much? So then you realize, oh, the minute the hawa comes to her, she becomes positive. And the
Subliminal. School was
hawa-
scientific and
Hilarious. We
subliminal.
said, thank you so much, we'll not be able to do this.
एक और
Okay.
चीज़, सर, ये जो सर ने बोला कि नहीं एक मोबाइल आता है फिर थोड़े दिनों के बाद में दूसरा मोबाइल आता है, आई गेस द इफेक्टिवनेस ऑफ दैट क्रिएटर गोज समवेयर, एज कैरी वाज सेइंग थोड़ी देर पहले कि मेरे फैंस में से बहुत जुड़े हुए हैं और मेरी बात मानते हैं. अगर हम लोग बार बार ये चीज़ कहते रहे कि ये अच्छा है, थोड़ी दिनों के बाद ये अच्छा है, तो शायद जो इफेक्टिवनेस है बंदे का, जो बात मानते हैं, वो शायद
हाँ
कम हो
हाँ, मैं वो बताता हूँ ना, तो टाइम पे भी डिपेंड करता है ना. अगर मैं कह रहा हूँ फॉर एग्जांपल आईफोन 8 आया, ठीक है, आईफोन 8 आया, मैंने कहा ये बहुत अच्छा है, उसके बाद क्या OnePlus 6 15 दिन में आ जाएगा?
रिपीटेशन भी, वो फ्रीक्वेंसी भी इम्पोर्टेंट है.
ऑब्वियसली. फॉर एग्जांपल जैसे जूते हैं, मैं बोलता हूँ जॉर्डन्स अच्छे हैं, ठीक है, जॉर्डन्स अच्छे हैं, है ना, और मैंने बोला बाटा अच्छा है, तो भाई औकात अनुसार ले लो यार.
एज अ व्यूअर मैं क्या करूंगा, एक बार सुनूंगा, ठीक है, एक बार सुनूंगा कि भाई अच्छा,
किसी के लिए आईफोन महंगा है,
हाँ,
लेकिन उसके पास चॉइस है, वो OnePlus ले सकता है क्योंकि वो थोड़ा सा कम सस्ता है. तो मैंने बोला भाई
कम
अगर तू ये
सस्ता है.
नहीं ले सकता है,
सस्ता है, कम
अगर तू प्याज
iPhone तो
नहीं ले
सस्ता नहीं
सकता
है.
है तो लेसन तो ले ले.
Okay. Cool, guys. It's been saying time's up for the
Time
last
up.
few minutes, but it's such an awesome panel. I do want to open it up. We can keep talking about it, but I'm guessing there are questions from fans, from audiences over here. Does anybody have a question for this amazing group of people? Go ahead.
All right, I'll come to you there. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for the present and future of India on stage. They make us so proud. Sir, क्या नाम है आपका?
Mayur. Hi. My question is to Chavi and Gaurav. You both have a different background from the other four on the panel. So, do you think that while creating content for the digital, you are limited in in terms of creating content? You can't go be open as they are about the kind of words they use, the kind of content they show.
So I think Gaurav has gone quite insane in creating different content.
No. See. I'll tell you. Initially, when I made videos in 2010. So definitely, I was looking at something edgy. तो 10 में जब सक्सेस नहीं मिली 2011 तक, I stopped making videos. From 11 to 2014, I didn't create any videos. 2014 I did want to tickle the audience. मैंने कभी डायरेक्ट कुछ नहीं बनाया है, nothing sexual. बट ये है कि मुझे नहीं पता था वीडियो फेमस हो जाएंगे. जब थोड़ा थोड़ा करते करते जब होने लगे, I felt responsible because बच्चे देखने लग गए. और because you are from TV and people know you, एक responsibility. Like now my content is really clean. मेरे ख्याल से 2-3 साल हो गए. और बनाता भी हूँ तो ऐसा कि घुमा के अगर उसको समझ आ रहा है तो वो बच्चा नहीं है. So I play word play होता है. I don't really make direct things. तो ये थोड़ा सा restriction feel होता है. मुझे कभी कभी लगता है because actually I think not in my head. मेरे दिमाग में जो चलता है वो मैं बना नहीं पाता हूँ because of social responsibility की बच्चे देख रहे हैं. लोग मुझे बच्चों के वीडियोस भेजते हैं, हमारे बच्चे ने ये बनाया है. So you do feel responsible.
Yeah, and I think in our case, me and my husband both, we don't usually use the kind of language expletives in daily use, so it doesn't come naturally to us. So it's not that we are holding ourselves back, but it's the clean content is what comes naturally to us. And also we are parents, so we also feel responsible towards our own.
So each one in their space.
मैं कुछ कहना चाहूँगा
Please.
इस पे. ठीक है, तो हाँ मेरी भी ऑडियंस बच्चे ही है और मैं फुल देता हूँ. ठीक है,
तुम वो एज हो कैरी, you're that age. मैं
No,
Her point is she's a parent.
ना कि तुम्हारे बच्चे जो हैं वो इन्फ्लुएंस होते हैं कि ये शब्द
नहीं इन्फ्लुएंस होते हो नहीं होते. मुझे लगता है कि मेरा कोर ऑडियंस है विमेन 18 साल से लेके 35 साल तक.
I just want to say you're a bachcha yourself. When you grow up, then you answer that question.
Okay, any more questions? Do we have any more questions in the audience?
अच्छा पूछ लो यार, सवाल आ जाओ भाई. कौन है आइए. There were a lot of people behind who were putting their hands up. आ जाओ भैया, पूछो. Anybody else? सर आप जो ये लेदर जैकेट पहने हुए हैं सर, आइए पूछिए सर आइए. अरे कुछ भी पूछना. तू छाती खुजला रहा है तो पूछ भी सकता है सवाल.
अच्छा तो मैं ये पूछता हूँ कि वीडियो वायरल कैसे बनाओ यार.
अरे यार तुमने यार
1 घंटे से क्या कर रहा हूँ?
अब सर 1 घंटे से ये लोग
वायरल बनानी है. मैं तो बताता हूँ वायरल क्या होता है. मैं दाढ़ी काट दूंगा वायरल.
I have something.
मैं क्या बना?
I can answer.
Okay.
जो लोग बोलते हैं पता है वीडियो वायरल कैसी की जाती है और नंबर के पीछे पड़ जाए. मैं छोटा मोटा लिखता भी हूँ तो उसका जवाब अब इसमें अगर आपको मिलता है तो ठीक है.
माइक पास पकड़ के.
फरमाइए.
शायरी करो तो माइक पास.
बात दोज मेनी की नहीं, इंपॉर्टेंट फ्यू की है. कड़क कॉलर की नहीं, चढ़े हुए स्लीव्स की है. व्यूज की नहीं, रिव्यूज की है. दोज मेनी जो भीड़ है वो तेरी ग्रीड है. इंपॉर्टेंट फ्यू तेरे अपने, तेरी जीत है. कड़क कॉलर तेरा घमंड, चढ़े हुए स्लीव्स तेरी मेहनत. व्यूज तेरी कमाई, रिव्यूज तेरी इज्जत.
क्या बात.
Very well put.
So my question is this, कि होता क्या है, I have a channel on guns. मैं guns के ऊपर बहुत सारे वीडियोस बनाता हूँ. किसके ऊपर?
खुद के गन्स? कौन से गन्स?
एयरसॉफ्ट गन्स जो मूवीज में इस्तेमाल होते हैं. ब्लैंक गन्स, एयरसॉफ्ट गन्स इंडिया में इतना पॉपुलर नहीं है. तो सडनली
You have a YouTube channel that you talk about guns
एयरसॉफ्ट
on.
गन इंडिया. सो मैं वीडियो सिर्फ इसलिए बनाता था कि ताकि मैं आपसे वेबसाइट पे डाल सकूं. इट वाज नॉट लाइक अ यूट्यूब स्टफ. और सडनली क्या होता है, एक दिन अ वीडियो वेंट वायरल. मतलब 4 मिलियन. इट्स कॉल्ड अस्का F90. जस्ट अ प्रोडक्ट वीडियो. और मुझे समझ नहीं आता है कि मैं हर वीडियो के साथ वैसा क्या कर सकता हूँ. मतलब उस वीडियो में मैंने कुछ किया नहीं है. इट वाज जस्ट अ सिंपल वीडियो टेबल पे रखा है, मैंने उसे शूट किया है. एंड अब मेरा टास्क ये है, मेरा काम ये है कि मैं अपने सारे वीडियो के साथ एग्जैक्टली सेम कर सकूं ताकि मैं अपने प्रोडक्ट को सेल कर सकूं. क्योंकि मैं वीडियो सिर्फ प्रोडक्ट को सेल करने के लिए बनाता था.
I think if anybody had a formulaic answer to that, every video would be a hit. And thank God that there isn't a formula for it, because then it would kill the creative aspect. Then there would be no creators. Unless someone has a specific question, or we can take it offline.
It's like saying every filmmaker wants to make a hit
Exactly,
film. You can't make a viral video. You can't make a hit film.
Fortunately, there isn't a formula.
जो बन जाता है,
फॉर्मूलाज भी अगर हैं तो एक्सपीरियंस है. और जैसे मेडिकल फील्ड में हमें पूछा जाता था कि भाई ये कंडीशन के आपको बताने हैं ईटियोलॉजी यानी कि कॉजेस फॉर फलाना ढिमका डिसीज. तो हम लोग चीट करते थे एज स्टूडेंट्स. हमारा सबसे पहला पॉइंट होता था पेज भरने के लिए इडियोपैथिक ऑफ अननोन ओरिजिन. तो आपकी वीडियो कब कौन सी हिट हो जाए नहीं पता. इसलिए मैंने बोला था कि जब आप मेहनत करते हो ये सारे मुद्दों को नज़र रखते हुए कि भाई इसमें ये होना चाहिए, उसने वो बोला था, ऐसे करेंगे तो वायरल होगी. कई बार वो नहीं होती.
I can tell you वीडियो वायरल क्यों नहीं होता. बहुत सारे रीजंस होते हैं.
देखो
कई बार
आई थिंक
एवरीथिंग इज चेक्ड. मैंने ये किया फिर उसके ऊपर उतने व्यूज नहीं आते हैं. और जिस पे मैंने नहीं ज्यादा तवज्जो दिया है वो हिट हो जाती है।
सिंपल बात है, देखो गीता में भी लिखा है कर्म करो
फल की
फल की चिंता मत करो।
क्या बात है?
And
So-
keep flaunting your gun.
Okay.
I want to say something to that. You know, I have been making videos for a very long time. मेरे छोटे बड़े सब मिला के कुछ thousands में videos हैं, 15 सेकंड से लेके. But मेरा most successful video on YouTube has gotten 33 million views. और ये video वो है जिसमें मैं नहीं हूँ. मेरी housemaid is dancing on Musically videos. 33 million और मैंने जो
You
इतने
have to
videos
explain
बनाए.
beyond that.
Sorry?
You have to explain beyond that. Yeah, housemaid is dancing on a musical video.
Yeah. I have.
Okay.
She's an older
कैसे हुआ
lady.
वो?
I have created a profile for her. Instagram पे Mrs. Rajeshwari. So she used to feature in my videos. तो मैंने
She's too
उनको.
cute, yeah, I've seen her.
You like her, right? तो वो शायरी पढ़ती हैं, कभी musically बनाता हूँ. So Mrs. Rajeshwari is a page on Instagram. उनकी
चलो मिसेस तो है.
उनकी compile.
इनको ब्रांड
She's an older lady. She's an older.
और मुझे डर है मिस्टर राजेश्वर का, वो क्या कहता है?
यार वो भी मिस्टर राजेश्वरी होगा ना कि वो मिसेस राजेश्वरी है.
हाँ, मिस्टर राजेश्वरी कुछ कहते हैं क्या?
अरे she is old बाबा. She has got दादा पोती क्या बोलते हैं? पोता पोती. हाँ.
सर उसमें एलियन का भी हिस्सा था।
हाँ?
एलियन का।
एलियन का भी डाला था. But that video is 33 million. मैं इतने हजारों
Awesome.
वीडियोस बना चुका हूँ. Wish I knew कैसे होता है. वो 33 million है.
So the great input is that we don't know, so please stop asking the question what makes a video viral, but depend on the creators to make it viral because nobody else possibly can. I just want to end with one input for you all, that internationally as well as in India, it is the time for digital superstars, at least on digital. So no offense to traditional media stars, but on digital, the digital superstars are the people to associate with. It is statistically proven that in the digital medium, digital stars are 17 times more engaging. They are 10 times greater emotional attachment. So if you are somebody who wants to put out a message, it's very, very clear that the digital stars are the vehicle that you would put out a message with. Thank you very much.